Ulise igama nguSimphiwe from kwaSimphiwe Molefe Properties and namhlanje ke silapha eMbekweni sine apha just right behind me Fiyayijona sayithengisa ise right kakhulu kakhulu condition. I need just some few touches here and there but ngicela sijonge yard lapha esime khona. This is a backyard outside toilet, toilet ezimbini both the inside and outside. Toilet here ngaphandle imnandi ngoba xa whenever unemicimbi abantu bakwazi ukusebenzisa namanzi esebenza yabona. This is asingababonisa icala nesawujikela sithi bonisa nje icala then singene ngapha ke. Bonisa nje naleni back eqebeni bayibona benkulu so uyakwazi extend up, you can put it a structure sakho wongeza yabo. So yiyo yonke lena ke ne, so it needs some few touches here and there. Lena ke passage le and one advantage about it ilapha ngaku-main road ngababonisa nalapha bayibone yabona. So that's one of the advantages. Then I give front in a bit about tenant, so it's vandalized in a way. Now even the thing is right. Private tenants, but they vandalize it as but it's not bad. As compared to Izindus 7 and it's not bad at all. So this could be your dining room, or sitting room, could be your another room, kitchen area, Nancy dining electric bathroom that's why we are conditioning. But if you know you know where to find us. The thing is this mean into this one color. This is another room. Yeah. So siyacela nje angabunomdla ufuna ukuthenga sifonele uzofiwish 043 721 0351 alternative sifonele ku-emergency line yethu 073 27 12 589 igama nguSimphiwe from kwaSimphiwe Molefe Properties. Do follow us on all our social media platforms. TikTok sikhona, Instagram sikhona, Facebook sikhona, YouTube sikhona, Property 24 sikhona. We are everywhere, so do follow us, like and comment. Siyabulela kakhulu. Thank you very much for joining us for everything. So if you know ungahlali ezawuhamba msinya lezohlala, so be quick walala wasala. We love you because